trick to draw a Lewis dot structure. So there are so many rules are there. Just you see the rules and then apply these rules in the examples. You will be understand what the rules are there. Count all the valence electron first. Then draw the least electronegative atom at the center. At the center, we should write a very least electronegative atom. And other atoms are spaced evenly around it. Then draw single bonds to the central atom. We should first draw the single bond. Then complete the octet with the remaining electrons for the atom first and add remaining electrons of the central atom. Complete the central atom octet by making a covalent bond. Let us see one example, NO3 minus. So in this NO3 minus nitrate ion. So nitrogen is a fifth group, oxygen is sixth group. Valence electron is for nitrogen 5 and here oxygen is 3 into 3, 6. So the valence electron is 6 for oxygen, 6 into 3 and the number of electron total charge is -1. So for 5 plus 18 plus when the -1 get inside becomes plus, totally 24 electrons. Very, very important, valence electron, not valency. We should consider only valence electron. So now let us see the electronegativity of nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen 3.0 and oxygen is a 3.5. So draw least electronegative at center. So I have written a centrally, I have written a nitrogen because it has a 3 electronegativity value and oxygen has a 3.5. So spatially I have surrounded this 3 oxygen around a nitrogen. Third rule, I should draw single bond. So here draw the single bond between nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen, third rule. Then fourth rule, complete the octet, count total number of electrons. That is, comes to 24 electrons together in NO3. So nitrate ion. So here it is nitrogen. Each bond carries 2 electrons. 2 electrons. 2 electrons. Then around the oxygen 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. That is valence electron. 2, 4, 6. So totally you just count it as an octet. According to octet rule, 8 electrons should present. 2, 4, 6. This bonded to electron, 8 electrons. This oxygen contains 3 lone pair, 6 electron with a bonded electron to 8 electrons. So this nitrogen, this oxygen carries 3 lone pair, 6 plus 2 bonded electron, 8 electrons. So according to octet rule, 8 electrons. Complete the octet for the central atom too. So for central atom, first we have satisfied the octet rule for all the 3 oxygen, 8 electrons, 8 electron, 8 electron. Now we should see the same 8 electron even for the central atom. So just to see, it is sharing this 3, nitrogen is sharing 3 bonds only, 2, 4, 6. So it needs a 2 more electron to attain a stable electronic configuration of octet rule. So it takes one of the lone pair electron from any one of the oxygen atom. If this lone pair electron is shifted here, it becomes double bond. Then it carries minus charge. So here, this is the way of writing this single bond 2, 4, 6, 8. For this 2, 4, 6, 8. For this oxygen 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6 and 8. And nitrogen 2, 4, 6, 8. Everywhere it is satisfied with the octet, 8 electrons. Thanks for watching, students.